Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Express body parser errors, a deep dive for web developers. Express.js, a popular node.js web framework, relies on middleware to handle various aspects of requests, including parsing the request body. The body parser middleware, now largely integrated into Express itself, is crucial for handling data sent in various formats like JSON, URL-encoded data, and raw buffers. However, errors can arise during this parsing process, leading to frustrating debugging sessions. This tutorial will cover common body parser, or equivalent Express built-in functionality, errors, their causes, and how to effectively handle them with code examples. We'll primarily focus on the errors encountered when handling JSON and URL-encoded data, as these are the most frequently used formats. Understanding the body parsing process. Before diving into errors, let's briefly review how body parsing works. When a client sends a request to your Express server, the request body might contain data. Middleware like body parser, or Express's built-in functionality, intercepts the request, reads the data stream, and parses it according to the content type header. For instance, if the content type is application/JSON, the middleware attempts to parse the body as JSON. If the content type is application/XWWW form url-encoded, it parses the body as URL-encoded data, key value pairs. Failures during this parsing lead to errors. Setting up Express, without explicit body parser. Modern Express versions, 4.16 and later, have built-in body parsing capabilities. You don't need to install body parser separately anymore. To enable body parsing, simply use the appropriate methods within your Express app. Common body parser errors and their solutions. 1. Syntax error, unexpected token, in JSON at position. This is the most frequent error when parsing JSON data. It indicates that the request body isn't valid JSON. This can happen due to asterisk typos in the JSON, asterisk missing commas, brackets, or quotes can cause this. Asterisk incorrect data types, asterisk sending a string where a number is expected. Asterisk server-side issues, asterisk rarely, a bug in your server-side code might cause this if it incorrectly manipulates the request body before parsing. Example asterisk. Solution asterisk carefully check the JSON data sent by the client using Browser Developer Tools, Network tab. Correct any syntax errors. Ensure data types match the expected schema. 2. Error, request body larger than max body bytes. This error occurs when the size of the request body exceeds the maximum allowed size. Express has a default limit. This is a security precaution to prevent denial of service attacks. Solution asterisk increase the max body bytes limit using Express JSON, or Express url-encoded. 3. Error, unexpected field, with Express JSON. This error suggests you are sending a field in your JSON that your backend route doesn't expect. This is related to data validation, and should be handled appropriately, not necessarily an error from Express body parser itself. Solution asterisk. Asterisk schema validation asterisk use a JSON schema validation library like AJV or Joy to check the incoming data against a predefined schema before processing it. Asterisk explicit data access asterisk access only the data fields you expect in your request handler. Asterisk input sanitization asterisk filter or sanitize user inputs to prevent unexpected data. 4. Errors related to url-encoded parsing, extended, false issues. If you set extended, false in Express url-encoded, Express uses the QS library for parsing. This means it may not handle nested objects correctly. If you encounter parsing errors with nested objects, set extended, true. The extended, true option uses the query string library, which can handle nested objects and arrays. 5. Handling errors gracefully. It's crucial to handle parsing errors gracefully to prevent your application from crashing and to provide informative error messages to the client. Wrap your root handlers in try, catch blocks. Debugging tips. Inspect the request body. Use your browser's developer tools, network tab, to inspect the raw request body sent by the client. This helps identify JSON syntax errors or other issues. Log errors. Use console.error to log errors during parsing. This aids in debugging. Check content type header. Make sure the content type header in the request matches the expected type, example application/JSON for JSON data. This comprehensive guide provides a deep understanding of common body parser, or equivalent Express built-in, errors in express.js, empowering you to handle them effectively and build robust web applications. Remember to always validate and sanitize user inputs to prevent vulnerabilities and improve the reliability of your application.